friends, so here we are in my friend's home, Momita. So as I always, you people are watching them in other videos too, no? So we came to their home. They have a very beautiful aquarium, fish aquarium. Amazingly, they are maintaining. So here we have Prabudha Bhaiya. Let us ask few questions how to maintain this, because I have just started putting some few fishes in my small aquarium. I have few questions to ask. So let me ask भैया भैया इतना बड़ा कैसे मेंटेन हो रहा है, आप थोड़ा हमारा व्यूअर्स को भी अच्छी से समझाना.
Hi viewers, so myself Prabudha Gupta. Actually I am maintaining this aquarium from last 9.5 years. So I was there in Vizag near about 10 years. So after I came within 6 months I have self made this. So actually we have started with small one, first 1 feet one, then gradually the size of the fish it is getting increased, then the size of the aquarium also we have increased. So some people thought that it is very difficult to maintain, but if you just look up some fundamental techniques, then easily you can maintain it. Even though you are busy with your scheduled work, you can maintain it very easily. So what will be the now cost if you say, because I have made it near about this current one near about 5 years back. So I have started from small one which is 1 feet, that will cost nowadays for 1 feet it will cost near about 550 rupees to make it at home. For this it will cost near about 1200 rupees. If you want to purchase from a shop, it will take near about 2500, but you can easily save 1000 rupees by some extra time you just spend at any time of your weekdays or weekly off time you can spend. So what you need to do, you need to have a proper measurement of this particular aquarium glasses. Then you just go to the nearby glass shop, then give them the measurement, they will build it as per your drawings. Then you come and fix it at home. So what you need to do, I will give some suggestion. Use some Abro tape that is easily available in the market to fix the total setting. Then after fixing, just put the silicone tube that is available also in the market. That is a common tube for multi-purpose use. That is transparent one. You ask transparent one, not the white one. Silicone tube. Then build this one. Leave it for one night. Morning test with some water. First initially, if any leakage is there, again rectify it with that tube. Now how to maintain? So for that, very easy to maintain. Initially you may have some struggle till the total zooplankton and phytoplankton build in the aquarium. So once it was developed, then monthly once you need to change the water. For that also it is very easy. If the tap water is available near to you, no need to do some bucket, then pour it, then again remove it. Just use a 10 or 20 feet long tube. Then once it is half emptied, then again refill it. Like that, repeat the process 2 to 3 times. That's all. And in Amazon, some optimum on food is available that you can give. 1 kg food cost 300 to 350 rupees. That is the food. So what is the advantage of this food? For 300 or 350 rupees, it will last near about 2 months. So per month it will cost maximum 180 rupees.
So for these many fishes,
so for these many fishes, if you can see the small quantity, I will show you how much quantity is required. For these many fishes, small quantity, daily twice, and it will develop the fishes color very well. Other don't go for other, some Chinese brands are there. Don't go for that. Better choice.
So this is what about the first video coming about how to maintain this kind of fish aquarium, that too homemade. So lot of inputs Bhaiya has given to us. Thank you Prabudha Bhaiya for giving such a good information to our viewers. So this is the food what Prabudha Bhaiya was talking about, Optimum. So this really improves the shining of the fish color. As we can see, all the fishes are really very transparent in color. So friends, this is a small video bite about how to maintain a fish aquarium with low budget. So we have in the coming up videos talking about the filter homemade and etc and how to maintain further process. So this is all about today. See you in the next video.
Viewers, my request to please subscribe and just keep your up tuned with Rupa's Fab Life and stay tuned.
Thank you.